My name is Heather Patterson and I'm an advisory board member for Action on Hearing Loss in Wales. And I'd like to pass on some information about a project that Action on Hearing Loss are running. The project is called Sensory Impairment Project, and they support deaf, deaf-blind and blind people in Wales. Currently the project wants to gather information regarding access to GPs, any problems you face in going to hospitals, and they want to gather this information and any feedback that you have. Or you can get involved in forums to discuss the problems that you've been having with regard to GP and access to hospitals. If you want more information about how you can get involved, have a look on the Action on Hearing Loss website, or you can come to the Action on Hearing Loss office in Cardiff. Thank you, bye.